Here's how to achieve the most perfect beachy waves in under 10 minutes. First up, I'm going to apply my Mayvenn hair extensions for some length and volume. I chose a color that's slightly lighter than my natural to give me some dimensions. I currently have in my Mayvenn clip-in hair extensions, and we're going to start with this first piece. Section out the next piece, top layer, bottom layer. Curling away from the face still. Leave out an inch at the ends. Pull that out. You can go higher with the top layer, but use this as a guide on where to start. So here would be my first curl. Go a bit lower. Leave an inch out at the end. And realistically, you're only leaving the curling iron on your hair for maybe 30 seconds tops. Pull out, continue. Notice how it's very secured, and even when I'm tugging on my hair like this, it's not sliding out. Curl away. Last piece. Get away from the face. Brush out the curls with your fingers, and then you are done.